What's the one marketing tactic you swear by? Hey, all of you, what's one marketing tactic that you absolutely swear by? Something you've seen consistent success with, regardless of the industry or product. Share your secret sauce. I quite like this Reddit because this guy said something very, very smart. Not exactly marketing, but it paid for itself many times over. I created a sticker with QR code and an invitation for customers to create an unboxing video and share it with our hashtag online. The QR code leads to a landing page with tips and tricks, tutorial videos, etc. The unboxing video invitation got me more than enough user generated content, and the landing page offered some extra value. Win win. Actually, that is 100% marketing, but very low cost and high return. Bro, this is a great marketing campaign. Actually, I like this a lot. My brother runs an e-commerce, and I'm gonna send him this. Um, this guy says paid awareness and Advantage Plus campaign targeting people based on interest, needs, stages of life, not just the most obvious direct segments. Selling cushions target new homeowners, not people who are redecorating looking for cushions. Selling toys target grandparents, not just parents, right? Selling beard trimmers target people who have husbands and sons, not just the men themselves. This guy says leverage user generated content has been a game changer for me. I found that incentivizing customers to share their experience with our product, whether through unboxing videos, reviews, or social media posts, build trust and drive engagement way more effectively than traditional ads. It's all about creating what authentic connection and letting your biggest fans become your best marketers. This guy says your user generated content is solid gold. I've had great success doing something similar. So a lot of people are digging the user generated content. This guy says, for me, it's about building in public, sharing your process, your wins, your scrubs. It makes people feel like they're part of the journey. It builds trust and curiosity, plus people start rooting for you, and that's powerful. You don't even need a polished product yet. Just showcasing progress and transparency gets people engaged. It's like you're selling without selling, and the best part, it works across industries. People love seeing the behind the scenes stuff no matter what you're building. What about you? This guy says, as a consumer, I love this. I also do this on my YouTube channel. I share my wins, I share my failures, I talk about my progress openly. I try to be transparent and honest with you guys. If something I believe it's not gonna work, I'll say this is not gonna work, right? These guys say find a way to talk to somebody who recently bought a competitor's product. Use code, email, DM, or whatever works best. Ask them why did you buy the product? How do they like using it? What they try similar products. Okay, so this is a good idea, but you can also find this on Amazon reviews in like 90% of the cases. Investing 14.3 in ads. I'm sorry, do the majority of people on this board tactic means okay, Mark Rickson. Okay, okay. So let's scroll a little bit down. Referrals, referrals. Making something that doesn't already exist or to take action, right? Marketplace listings almost always generate sales. I think this guy says market Facebook Marketplace. Value first. For some reason, this is so hard for some people, but sometimes you don't need to ask something from your customers right away. Take the chance to build goodwill, show that you know what they need, and demonstrate you can provide the solution. I've worked with so many marketers that are so obsessed with fairness. Why should we give? Okay, well, creating engaging and relevant content for your target audience, social listening, use keywords from your Google Search Console profile to strengthen your website SEO performance efforts. I'd say staying ahead with trend analysis is a top tactic. I've used BuzzSumo to track trending content across the industry, which helps tailor marketing messages that resonate with best with audiences. I also tried SEMrush. This feels like, but post Reddit. Yeah, I think this guy is like trying to sell us post Reddit. Let's see how I close it. Let's see what is a post Reddit. Nothing's happening. Is it a two? I couldn't find it. So I'm gonna share the one marketing tactic. I don't think it's a tactic. I think it's more of a fundamental thing. But I would say product to market fit is everything. If you have a product that people really want, it's gonna be really easy to sell it with Facebook ads. It's gonna sell organically if you create YouTube videos for it. It's gonna sell through blog posts. So product to market fit is everything. You need a product that fits the market. A lot of people do it the opposite. They try to make the people fit into their product, but it's called product to market fit. The product needs to fit the market. So at the very end of the day, you start with the market. The market is first. It's kind of like before building the ladder, make sure it's leaning on the right wall. Now let me end this video. Bye.